Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices, enable developer options, and turn on USB debugging on the phone so the PC can request authorization. On the PC, install the correct OEM USB driver and confirm the device appears in Device Manager. This avoids generic driver conflicts. Once done, connect with a known good cable directly to a port, not a hub. This prevents power and data negotiation errors. Make sure the phone is unlocked when connecting, because you must accept the PC's RSA key prompt. Next, you install and configure ADB so you can see and control the device. Add platform tools to your path for easy access. Plug the phone in, unlock it, and watch for the RSA fingerprint prompt. Accept it so the PC is authorized. Then open a terminal and run ADB devices. A listed device with device status means success. If it shows unauthorized, revoke USB debugging authorizations on the phone and reconnect. This forces a fresh RSA exchange and fixes stale keys. To finish, you refresh the connection, kill and start the ADB server to clear hung processes, and if needed, run a DB USB to reinitialize USB mode. Make sure the phone's USB mode is set to file transfer so data channels are open. If problems persist, reinstall OEM drivers and test another port or cable. Sometimes Windows chooses a wrong driver. Troubleshooting tip: if the device intermittently disconnects, enable USB debugging authorization timeout to force truth and reveal a persistent authorization failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.